Did you know that there's an entire world living in the soil, in the moss on trees, in the sand on the beach, and even in aquariums you might have at home? Let's take a look at some sand under a microscope to see. These hidden monsters are kinds of animals that we call myofauna. Myofauna means tiny animal, and these guys are so tiny that we can't see them when we scoop up some sand on the beach. This is why, to study these animals, scientists need microscopes, which allow us to look at these crazy creatures up close. A lot of these animals, even though they can look like it, are not worms, but just shaped like them. These animals also have certain traits that allow them to be this tiny and to live in environments in between grains of sand or in between pieces of moss. If you're a tiny animal in the ocean living on a grain of sand, you would need something to make sure you don't get kicked out of your home by a wave. To help with this, most myofaunal animals have what is called an adhesive organ. These adhesive organs are basically sticky pads that help these creatures to stick to a grain of sand to deal with the movement of water. A lot of these animals also do not have eyes. With no eyes, you need some way to know which way is up. That's why a lot of myofaunal animals have what is called a statocyst, which is a balancing organ. This is like when an acrobat walks a tightrope and they stretch out their arms to stay balanced. Myofaunal animals are not all squishy. Some come with hard parts for defense. Defensive structures, like stylets, can look like little daggers that the animal can use to hunt for prey or to ward off predators. Thanks for learning about these awesome animals that are often too tiny to see. In your bags, you should find this worksheet, and now you can create your own myofaunal animal through cutting out pieces and combining different mouths, sensory organs, adhesive glands, and defense structures. Have fun, and next time you're walking on the beach, swimming in a stream, or playing in the mud, remember the hidden world inside, full of these crazy, cool creatures.